नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। IJVN, Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FPD Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today's topic is postnatal care. Postnatal care including systematic examination of mother and baby, and appropriate advice advice given to the mother during postpartum period. Over 5,36,000 women die annually from complications during pregnancy, childbirth, or the postpartum period. Nearly all of these deaths occur in developing countries where fertility rates are higher and a woman's lifetime risk of dying during pregnancy of childbirth birth. Almost all 95% of these maternal deaths occur in Africa and Asia. The burden of maternal complication and death is also highest in the first few days of delivery. Definition: care of mother and newborn from 1 hour after delivery up to 6 weeks post delivery. Aims and objectives can to assess the health status of the mother and institute effective therapy to rectify the defect if any. Medical disorder like diabetes mellitus hypertension should be reassessed to detect and treat at the earliest any gynecological condition arising out of obstetric legacy. To note the progress of the baby, including the immunization schedule for the infant to improve family planning and guidance. Importance condition should be inquired in postnatal care, inquiry to the mother, any excessive PN bleeding, pyrexia, sepsis, involution of the uterus, breast complication, breast enlargement, metastatic cracked nipple, breast abscess. Number 2, inquiry to the baby, exclusive breastfeeding, keeping in the baby warm, dry and warm, delayed bathing for 72 hours, immunization, important of neonatal care. Danger sign of the baby: reluctant to face high pitched cry, fever, granting in drawing of chest, convulsion, yellow coloration, eyes and body, discharge, bleeding from umbilicus. Schedule of postnatal visit: first worth 24 hours, second with 2 to 3 days, third within 4 to 7 days, fourth within 42 to 45 days. Postpartum and postnatal exercise. Postnatal exercise should begin as soon as possible and continue throughout the peri. It is particularly important for multipara women whose muscles are more flaccid than those of primipara. It increases muscle tone, venous return from the leg and lower abdomen, drainage of the lochia voidina of urine. Postpartum exercise being with 5 repetition 2 or 3 times daily, gradually increase to 10 repetition after 2 to 3 weeks. More strenuous exercise such as sit-ups and side leg raise may be added as tolerate. First day, pelvic rocking, knee to abdomen, lying supine position with no pillow and arm at side, bend right knee, thigh until foot touch buttock. Straighten right leg and lower it slowly, alternate with right and 5 to 6 times. Second day, after second day, leg exercise. Advice given to the mother during discharge. Advice after normal delivery. Diet: high nutrition diet containing vitamins, minerals, including iron, folic acid, vitamin C, calcium, should not bear heavy weight for at 3 months. Contraception, progress, progesterone only pill, mini pill for first 6 months, barrier method for next 2 year, coitus abstinence in first 1.5 month with caution next 1.5 month. Advice after normal delivery, birth spacing for at least 2 years, breastfeeding, exclusive breastfeeding for first to 6 months, extra notorious food in addition to breastfeeding, varying from month till 2 years. Immunization of the baby properly as early as possible, sunlight exposure of the body by covering the mouth and genitals. If any symptom of jaundice appear, please contact with the pediatrics. Advice after cesarean section delivery, should not wear heavy weight for at least 6 months, should wear abdominal binders for at least 2 to 3 months, coitus abstinence in first 3 months with caution in next 3 months. Advice regarding family planning, sterilization during puerperium. Sometimes vasectomy is done during cesarean section if family is complete or in case of multigravida after proper consent. If family is not complete or in case of NVD, patient is advised and encouraged for permanent sterilization to vasectomy या vasectomy after second baby.